Hello, this is your instructor, Stephen Burns again, and I'm going to make a further visual connection between masks and your channels. Now, in the earlier tutorial, we actually created selections, and we saved them. They became what is called an alpha channel. An alpha channel, once again, is anything in addition to the red, green, and blue composite that makes up the single color variations in your image. Now, I'm going to do is last time we were able to control click or control command click on the alpha channel to create a selections. Now if we can do that with an alpha channel, could we not also do the same thing with the standard channels that we see in here in Photoshop? Alright, so let's take a look at each one. Red, green, and blue. And we're going to play around with these two here, the red channel and the blue channel, since these are the two that are extremes from one another, and I think we can visually memorize these a little bit easier. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my RGB composite, create a brand new layer, and I'm going to fill this layer with black. If I hit the D key, that forces my foreground and my background color to go black and white, and Option backspace or Alt backspace. Actually, that will be Option delete or Alt backspace, and it's going to fill that layer with black. Now let's turn it off. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to hit Command or Control click on the red, and what that's going to do is it's going to commit this red channel as a selection. Okay, so what we're looking at are the marching ants version of this red channel. Now let's turn back on the black layer, and let's go fill this with this opposite. Edit, fill with this opposite, which is going to be white, and click OK. Look at what we have. Let's go ahead and Command D. There it is. What we've done is we've transferred the red layer directly into the layers by creating a selection and then filling that selection with white on a black layer. Let's go ahead and turn this off temporarily. We're looking at the red original RGB composite. We look at the red channel. Okay, that's exactly what we've done here. If we take a look at the layer 1, let's turn on layer 1 and turn off layer 1. Turn on layer 1, turn off layer 1. So we've transferred the red channel directly into the layers. Let's do it again. Okay, let's go ahead and make a brand new layer. Let's fill it with black. Let's temporarily turn off the black. Let's definitely turn off the black and white version here. And let's hit Command Control click. And what that does is it commits my blue channel into its marching ants equivalent. Turn on the black, and let's fill the black with white, or fill the selection with white, which is the opposite of black. There. Okay, is that making sense? So if we take a look at this and select the blue channel, and we turn on the layer 2, you will see that there is no change. Okay, is that making sense? Okay, so now that we are making a better connection between selections, channels, and masks, now we're going to explore what can be done with them in terms of creating composites, isolating various images in your files, as well as color and contrast manipulation in localized areas in your image.